Your Hoover Max Extract can also be used to pick up small liquid spills of 1 gallon or less, and not more than 1/8 inch deep. Set the brush speed selector to the spill pickup mode if your model has this feature. This will turn off the spin scrub brushes, which aren't needed for spill pickups. Without squeezing the trigger, slowly move the nozzle over the spill. Continue drying the area until very little fluid can be seen coming through the nozzle. It's always good to immediately empty the dirty water tank and reset the brush speed setting to the power scrub mode for normal carpet cleaning. Your Hoover Max Extract can also be used to pick up small